How many times have you woken up with no desire to get out of bed, or felt like the day was slipping away from you without you having accomplished anything significant? We've all been there, but the good news is that it's possible to change. Today, we're going to explore in depth how you can regain your energy and motivation. We'll talk about physical, mental, and emotional habits that can transform the way you live. Did you know that sleep is not just about resting? It is during sleep that our brains organize information, strengthen our memory, and repair our bodies. Establish a sleep routine. Go to bed at the same time every day. Try to create an environment that is conducive to sleep, such as dimmer lights and relaxing sounds. Joanna, a mother of two, used to sleep only 5 hours a night. With simple changes to her routine, such as turning off her cell phone an hour before bed and drinking a calming tea, she transformed her daily energy. Now, she wakes up early and is motivated to get things done. The foods you choose to eat have a direct impact on your energy. Think about how you feel after a heavy, sugary meal. Your energy levels drop quickly. Replace processed snacks with options like nuts, fruits, and whole foods. In addition to eating well, try to eat mindfully. Take time to savor each meal, without distractions like cell phones or television. This improves digestion and connection with the present moment. Exercise doesn't have to be intense. The most important thing is regularity. Studies show that even 15 minutes of walking a day can reduce stress levels and increase energy. Goals are like a roadmap for your motivation. Start small. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," say, "I will walk 10 minutes every day." Take a piece of paper and write down a goal for the day, week, and month. Ask yourself, what small action can you take today that will move you closer to a big dream? If you believe you can change, you've already taken the first step. Avoid phrases like, "I can never do it," and replace them with, "I'm learning to do better." Stress can drain your energy, but simple techniques like deep breathing can help relieve tension. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4. Emotions have a huge impact on our energy. Positive relationships are sources of motivation. Spend time with people who make you feel good. Carly used to feel unmotivated because she spent too much time on social media, comparing her life to others. When she decided to reconnect with old friends and do in-person activities, she noticed a transformation. An organized environment promotes mental clarity. Set aside a day to organize your desk, your closet, or even your cell phone. Small adjustments make a big difference. Now that you know these strategies, change is in your hands. Start with a small action today and watch your energy and motivation grow. Share in the comments, which of these practices will you implement first?